Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the problem titled as ball distribution from today's Codechef starter contest. It was a nice problem. It was easy to code, but it was like good to think. So just first understand the problem statement, then I will be talking about its logic, and at last I will showing you my code. So the problem statement is given as we have n empty boxes and we have m different colors numbered from 1 to m, so that Chef has ai balls of the ith color. Okay, and each ball is placed in a box, so we can't miss any ball, and all the balls in a box are of different colors. So in every boxes the color of all balls should be different, and over all valid distributions we have to find the minimum number of boxes having m balls. So we have to find minimum number of boxes having balls numbered from 1 2 3 4 dot dot m. So under the given constant it is guaranteed that at least one valid distribution always exists. Okay, and input are as usual, so we can use one for loop as the constant suggests. So so yeah so let's talk about its logic. So yeah uh, let's suppose we have n boxes, and we have to output the minimum number of boxes in which balls are placed numbered from 1 to n. So let's suppose that we have let's assume answer as x. So let's assume our answer is x. So what can be the range of x? X can be from 0 to n. So it's simple to think that x can be 0 from n. X is the answer. So answer can be from 0 to n. Either 0 boxes, 1 boxes, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, or n boxes. So we have to output the minimum number of boxes. So we will iterate from x is equal to 0 to n, and we will see if it is possible for a given x. If arrangement is possible, then we will simply output that and break the for loop. So that was the logic. And first thing, how we are going to implement that? So so let's x is the answer now. So that means there are x boxes in which there are balls are numbered from 1 to m. So let's x boxes. So let's say x is 3, let's suppose. So in 3 boxes balls are numbered from 1 to m. So how many balls are present in these 3 boxes? So in these 3 boxes, number of balls present are x, that is 3 into m, right? So these are the ball present in the first 3, or if more general way, the first x boxes, right? Now, how many balls are remaining? So the remaining balls are equals total balls minus x into m. Now, uh, I have said that in x boxes we are putting elements from 1 to m. So in these remaining boxes, how many different combinations of balls can exist? So in this box 1 to m minus 1 ball can exist, in this also 1 to m minus 1. So how many maximum number of different balls can exist in these boxes? So m minus 1, m minus 1, m minus 1, right? So it is the maximum number of balls that can exist in these remaining boxes, right? So now the number of uh, these values must be greater than or equal to the remaining balls, right? So what we will simply do is we will simply find these number of balls, and it must be greater and equal to the remaining balls. So that was the simple logic. I hope you understood. uh, it will be more clear when I will explain the code. So let's see its code. So code was basically very simple to implement, nothing worry about. So let's see its code. Yeah, so as I have said, I have iterated through every possible value of the answer. So here in this for loop, and firstly I have calculated the total sum of the total number of balls. So total number of balls is the element of array, sum of all elements of the array, right? Now I have iterated the answer from 0 to n, and I have defined a variable p as I into m. So these are the number of balls present in the first ith ball, in which all combinations from 1 to m are present. So remaining number of balls will be ts minus p. Now the remaining number of boxes is n minus I, and the maximum combination in each box can be m minus 1. So n minus I into m minus 1, if n minus I into m minus 1 is greater than equal to remaining number of balls, then obviously I will be the answer, and it will be it will be minimum also, because we are iterating from the uh, zeroth value. I mean from I is equal to 0, and as soon as we get an answer, we will just break it. So the code was simple to implement. So I hope you understood the problem. So give me a thumbs up. Thank you.